Everybody, this is Jeremy from FairShares. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to calculate distribution risk. If you guys are unfamiliar with distribution risk, check out some of our other YouTube videos. I go into it in depth. Essentially, there's a tax liability attached to each income producing security that you buy. And as soon as you buy the security, you now are responsible for paying that tax liability. There's some other risks too, but we won't get into that here. So this is a super easy process. You click on the Distribution Risk app. You can search by the name of the company, the fund, or by the ticker symbol. We'll just search by the ticker symbol. Let's say that I want to buy 5,000 shares of SPY, and I'm considering doing that today. So the number of shares that you want to look at, because those are the number of shares you want to buy, you enter that here, and you hit Calculate Risk. This will generate the entire risk dashboard. This is pretty much everything that you need to know about the hidden costs in this security. We're going to go through this dashboard line item by line item so that you understand each of these risks, what they mean, when they apply to you, et cetera, et cetera. Another thing I should say here, these are estimates, right? A lot of these hidden costs, they're hidden. We don't have access to the fund data. So what we do is we produce estimates that are as close to that actual data as possible. Obviously, an estimate of risk is better than no estimate of risk at all. So this is our dashboard, and we'll get into the dashboard in the next videos. Okay, there's one more scenario here that might arise when you're using distribution risk analytics, and that is that the security that you want to look at might not be in our database. We currently have about 3,000 securities that we produce dividend estimates for. However, the security you're looking for might not be widely traded and might not be in our database. That's totally fine. We've created a manual calculator where you can calculate distribution risk, capital gain risk for any security you want by simply using this manual calculator. You click manual calculator, you're going to input the ticker symbol, you're going to put the number of shares, 10,000. The security name is, ABC Inc. It's important now that you select this type of security that you're analyzing. Dividends behave differently in ETFs versus, for example, common equities like IBM, Apple. So let's say that we're going to look at an ETF here. The dividend amount is $2 per share. The dividend frequency is quarterly. The upcoming dividend date is April 5th. And the last dividend date, the previous dividend date is January 5th. And then you hit calculate manually. And then there you go. It'll produce the same dashboard with the same analytics for custom security. So this is something that you can play with, make adjustments, check capital gain distributions in lieu of dividends, et cetera, et cetera. Thank you so much. Hey guys, really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell. That way, as we release new features and functionality for distribution risk analytics, as well as some of our other software, you're notified of all the cool things we're doing. We really appreciate your support. Thank you so much.